Hey guys, good morning. I want to show you something crazy that I've tried to do for the first time ever. I've never done this before, but I was firing some student work and I ran out of stilts. And I decided that I was going to take my chances. I really had to get this stuff out. And I said I'm going to make my own stilts with clay. I wasn't sure this was going to work, but they were kind of like broken off bits and pieces anyway. So I said, let me try. So what I decided to do is I made these Hershey kisses. You can see them on white here. I made Hershey kisses from stoneware clay, and I placed my glazed pieces right on top of that. And I'm gonna snap them off, just like I did with regular stilts. And this piece like came out really good. I feel like this is like under glaze only though. Let's find one with glaze. This should be bad. Let's see. These are my stilts. See them? Some of them are stuck more than others. See, most of them are coming off no problem. They're barely leaving anything at all, actually. I'm surprised. Now let's see with the stuck guy if I can. Oh, got it. Look, came right off. Is that crazy? I didn't even think this would work, honestly. But here we go. Okay, so apparently you can make your own stilts with little Hershey kisses of stoneware. I don't think this would work on really heavy pieces though. Like all of these pieces that they made, they're tiny. You know, this is just like little bits and pieces that basically fell off of their work. So I wouldn't try it with like anything bigger, you know? I certainly wouldn't try it with like a mug or anything bigger, because I think the clay is gonna get squished. I think the reason why it worked is because the little pieces were so light that the Hershey kisses never got squished, so the surface area stayed really, really small. So when the glaze fused, there was just a little tiny point of fusion and you could just take it off. Anyway, just want to share this. Kind of a new trick, I guess. Well, there's nothing new in pottery, but new to me. So wanted to share it with you guys. All right, I gotta go teach, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.